Well, that's the scorecard. Bulldozers, everybody chipping in except for Sudeep, but nobody really the standout performer. Well, going for a big heave, not really getting into good position. As a batsman, you need to get into good positions to execute either defensive or attacking shots. So, and you also have to keep your head pretty well balanced. So once you stick to the basics, I think this game becomes a lot easier.
This is good cricket here by these two players. They're running hard. They're waiting for any opportunity that can come their way through which they can add runs for the side. The Telugu Warriors, they were so happy some time back.
Well, Adarsh. Oh, that's good thinking on Adarsh's part. Kirtiraj with a straight drive, hitting the stumps at the non-strikers, and the bails were dislodged, but there was a chance of a run out. So Adarsh thought smartly, and then when such a things occur, if you have to keep the ball in hand and dislodge the stumps, uproot the stumps rather, and check whether the batsman has made it or not. So the decision has been referred to third umpire. Let's wait and watch.
So this is extremely smart work by the bowler Adarsh here, and the decision is rightfully out. So the sixth wicket of Bulldozers departs. It's 135 for 6. So Adarsh was thinking very clearly at that point of time, was able to effect that run out. So Karthik goes back to the pavilion after scoring 14. It's 135 for 6.
Well, Adarsh continuing a short pitch delivery, trying to psych out the effect of the previous delivery, wherein he so smartly ran the batsman out. It was Kirtiraj who played that very power-packed straight drive, but unfortunately Karthik got run out. Another short delivery. This time it will be a wide. Adarsh looking to bang the ball in short. Not a very good thing to do in this part of the inning. But here he displayed smart skills. Quick thinking on feet, and as per the rules of the game, ran the batsman out.
एक 136 पर 6 समय बुलडोजर्स का स्कोर. स्लो डिलीवरी, बाहरी किनारा लगा पर सिर्फ एक रन ही मिलेगा, और ऐसी स्थिति में एक रन से ज़्यादा असर पड़ने वाला नहीं है. यहाँ पे बाउंड्रीज या फिर छक्कों की ज़रूरत है बुलडोजर्स को.
Well, if you remember, Sabha, that's Madhuri Bhattacharya going around the ground, getting the crowd interested. And I'm coming to Adarsh. I think, Sabha, have you watched the movie Iqbal? Because Adarsh was one of the artists in that movie, and he really batted beautifully in that movie. A good Yorker to end the over, but some overthrows. End of 19 overs. It's 139 for 6.
End of 19 overs, 139 for 6. Last 6 balls remaining for the Karnataka Bulldozers.